car, you know, how good can these windows be? Now, a car would go for it.
My mouth is full, Brian. Get out of here.
Who else is he?
Get out. Get out.
So how'd the meet go?
How'd you do?
Pretty
I threw the
bad.
same thing 3 times in a row.
You threw the same distance 3 times in a row?
No.
Come on, man.
Pretty bad.
There was everybody in the whole state.
I went up one place. I was sleeping 3rd of July and I went up 4th place.
That lady stuck in the chair there.
Not bad.
I don't care, Brian.
I beat the one kid that
Anyone
was
you
sitting
want.
at 48 feet. He was through 42 feet.
Oh.
Go away.
Mr. Decker.
Snow. What do you use? A little orange ball?
No, I can't play.
Mr. Decker.
I can play year round if the weather. I can't play in the snow. Those guys
I know, Mike. Hey, you made it anyway. You got up there and qualified. What the hell? He's one of the best of the whole group around here, I tell you.
Wait, do they go boom?
Watch it. Watch it.
I mean, you don't get to spend it at the police.
Eat the food. Get her stomach a little squishier.
I don't care.
How many people are in here?
Let's go out front.
Let's go get Mr. Pitt.
Let's get the paper.
Hey, we should get you guys on like America's Funniest Home
What about
Videos.
this old house?
That's funny.
Yeah, we can get Jared to put milk in his mouth. You can make them laugh and it's not snowing and you can drink it.
We can do the drinking part.
I'm sure you'd be on.
Call Mr. Pitt.
Give me half of her.
Thanks, man.
We have to go get the fire.
I already did.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Evan did. He knew.
Yeah, that's right.
I remember her father.
Mrs.
more so
DePiero.
than I remember her John.
I like
He had a beautiful
That's her
voice.
job.
That's her
Yeah,
father.
her
I tried to
father.
tell you.
I don't know who she is.
Wait, you say down me corner.
John Ray's daughter. John Ray's her
You know your friend or
father.
she inside.
This is Decker's fire. What did they burn again, bro?
Which? Don't know which.
What's it supposed to do?
Burn.
Chow, stop, Dave. We won't get you that fast.
What are they gonna do?
Don't walk in the way.
Just
I would like to be on TV, you know.
Fire. Just kidding. Shit's hot.
That's the general idea.
You yelling at me? Are they coming?
Where?
Mike's down there?